Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We haven't done a video in a while, and there's a good reason why. Just been busy. You guys know that life comes first and then YouTube. But nevertheless, we do have a video this afternoon, something I've been wanting to do forever. And today I was out riding, home, and it just got on my nerves. And I said, today is the last day that I'm going to do this. Some of you guys already know what I'm talking about. So let me turn the camera around and show you what we have to install this afternoon. Okay guys, here's the auto stop eliminator. I picked it up about 3 weeks ago, but I've been just waiting and waiting and waiting to install it. So we're going to get down and get dirty. Hopefully not too dirty. As you can see, I've already got down, and while I was at it, I took my my WeatherTech mat out. Got me a little something soft to kneel down on, because I'm a very long of leg and long of arm, and I'm going to climb down under this dash and get this thing installed. Based on everything that I have read, it says that it's very easy. Basically, you unplug the port from behind and plug the eliminator in line, and that's done. So let's see how long it takes me. Okay guys, all done. Took me like 5 minutes to get it done. Woo! Now, it's not hard, but being a big body person and long arms, it's in this case a benefit to have smaller arms and smaller upper body and a small head, and you can just slide up under there. And there's just one little clip on the bottom. You just push the little clip up, slide the old one out, the old plug-in out, plug the eliminator in, and then you plug the original wire into the back side of the eliminator, or should I say the inside of the eliminator, and you're done. So all this time I've been waiting for that irritating start stop to be disabled, and now we are there. So what do we have coming up? We have been wanting to do a driving impressions video of how the Ford Maverick now handles, now that we have the 19-inch wheels and tires installed. I can tell you, after going down a few back roads, I'm loving how it handles. But I want to give you guys a bird's eye view. My wife is going to film for me, and we're going to actually do a driving impressions video, and you'll get to see how the vehicle looks, because I'm telling you, now when we get out on the road, it's corners flat. Oh, I just love the way it rides. It's a little bit stiffer, just a little bit, not a whole lot, but enough to let you know that we have a performance type setup under our feet now. So that going forward, we have a number of things ordered. On previous videos, I did install the 2-liter Eco Beast badges on the side, but we have some more stuff exciting coming for the outside. We have some outside stuff that we're doing, and we're going to be doing some inside the cab modifications as well. So stay tuned for that. Remember that you need to go ahead, if you're going to sign up for the Maverick April the 23rd, and we are certainly looking forward to that Maverick meetup. And I'm getting ready for the track. I've got my helmet. I'm not sure if they require a helmet this time. Last time we did not have to wear a helmet, but I have one just in case. And we got a couple more things we're going to do to the Maverick performance wise as we get there. Thing that you need to know, and the reason that I even addressing this at all is because one of the other viewers gave me this tidbit of information. That's something that you need to know. So let me turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now, after lowering my Maverick, I previously when I was going to haul my boat, which I hadn't actually even done it yet, I had a 2-inch drop so that my trailer would sit level, and there was no problems doing that. But now that my vehicle is 3.5 inches lower in the back, I needed to flip that. So this 2-inch drop is now flipped upside down, so you have a 2-inch raised hitch. Now, is there a problem with that? Let me show you what you could run into. If you open your tailgate and let the tailgate down, now notice how much clearance we have right now. Right now, it's not going to hit the emblem, but you got maybe 2 inches of clearance from the ball, and I'm gonna put my finger there, from the ball to the bed right here. Now, you might say, oh, cool, at least it doesn't hit. But what you're gonna have to be aware of is something that I hadn't even thought of until one of the viewers made me aware of it. Now, if you look at my trailer, all of that has got to fit on top of that ball. So once I hook the trailer up, once I hook the ball, once I hook all of that on top of that ball, and you know we only had maybe 2 inches clearance, this is going to be way taller than 2 inches. So if you don't remember what you're going to do, you're going to hook all that up, you're going to get to where you're towing, then you're going to open this thing up and let her, now I do have the tailgate assist, so it goes down slow. But if you would just let that thing fly, all of you guys who don't have the tailgate assist, it's going to nail the top of that, and you're going to have a very bad day, because you're going to have a nice little dent at the very least in your tailgate. How can you stop that from happening? One, you have to remember. But the other thing is something that we have available already. What you're going to do when you're towing, should you decide that you're going to need to open your tailgate, just move these straps up top like you were if you were going to haul something in the back. Just move these up here. So when you drop it down now, should you have to drop it down, you'll be able to drop it down just enough to clear your trailer hitch without contacting the backside, or should I say, yeah, the backside of your tailgate. So don't forget to move these to the upward position if you intend to open your tailgate when you're hauling. Now, I'm hoping and praying that I don't forget that, because that's not going to be a happy guy. I'm not going to be a happy guy if I happen to open that thing up on top of that tail, on top of that hitch, and put a big dent in my tailgate. So just some food for thought. Now, just continue to keep tuning. Exciting stuff coming up. I have ordered a number of things, and they will be in. This is Friday, so I'm going to take my wife out and get her some dinner, so she'll be, you know, happy wife, happy life. So I'm going to do that, but beginning next week, you're going to see the transformation. The Maverick is going to look the part of performance as well as be performance. So we're going to do a video next week, and you'll see how it actually handles. I'm going to take it to a vacant lot, and we're going to go through some paces, maybe go around some cones, and show you how the Maverick handles with the new lowering springs on it. So stay tuned to the channel. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one.